Hi friends, Mayank Agrawal here. Here I am going to show you how to optimize Mozilla Firefox for maximum privacy, a step-by-step tutorial. Friends, Firefox and Chrome are the dominant feature browsers in the market, but Firefox, though it has a lot of security options, but by default they are unchecked. Okay, so let's come and review all those options in this tutorial. First of all, we need to enter the options menu. One way, those who have menu bar enabled, just go to Tools, Options, and for others, for those whom the newer versions, this button is installed. So go to Options and go to Option. Okay, so in the General tab, everything is okay. Tabs, okay. Content, make sure you block the pop-up windows. This is ticked. Okay, application is fine. In privacy, make sure that this is ticked. Tell websites I don't want to be tracked. This is ticked. In Firefox, we'll use the custom settings. For ensuring maximum privacy, you should not accept cookies from other sites, so untick this tab. But sometimes some site would not work in case the cookies are not accepted, so you can tick this option and then you can click here, exceptions, for some websites like your bank sites and all those stuff. Okay, and just come to this option, clear history when Firefox closes. Come to settings, tick everything here, offline website data, site preferences, saved password. If you have saved password and you're using a personal PC, you can keep it unchecked. Okay, just click OK. Now come to security, make sure these three options are ticked. Tick, tick, tick. Okay, you can use a master password also in case you wish to prevent users from seeing your saved password, because when I click the save password, the users can actually see my passwords here. So you can have a master password. You can just tick this. Okay, so I am having a single digit, the master password. Come to the advanced tab. By default, this will have submit crash reports. Untick this. If this is also ticked, please untick this. These two submit should be unticked. Okay. For update tab, make sure you're automatically installing updates. But the drawback here is maybe your add-ons won't work on the newer versions. Okay, but for maximum privacy, you should automatically install the updates. Okay. Coming to here, now come to the search box. We have an option here, show suggestions. I would recommend you to disable it, because each time you type a character or a string, it will actually be sent to the server, so that can track your habits. Just disable that. Let me do not track is okay. Search suggestions, safe browsing, custom, and yeah. So that's it. That's all you need to make your private browser complete. All the settings that you need to make your browser and enjoy a complete privacy experience on the internet. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Easy Video Series. Have a nice